This 3-bedroom/2-bath rambler offers a unique floor plan and a great location. Situated on a quiet street, walking distance to the golf course and minutes from the clubhouse, fitness center and front gate, this home provides privacy and convenience. Spacious kitchen and dining room, living room with gas fireplace and large 3-season room with adjacent deck allows many options for both indoor and outdoor living. The large master bedroom en suite features double vanities, and with a split floor plan the 2 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home. The house has a great flow with a separation of living areas, and the vaulted ceilings adds to the sense of spaciousness. The 2-car garage and large crawl space offer additional options for storage. Often called Virginia's best-kept secret, live like you are on vacation every day in amenity-rich Lake of the Woods. Great commuter options to the Washington, D.C. job market, just over 60 miles to the new Amazon headquarters. What better way to live the relaxing lifestyle after your workday than to discover that lake life is the best life? Enjoy the 2 lakes and the many water sports possible, such as fishing, boating, jet skiing, tubing, water skiing or wakeboarding, paddleboards or kayaks. Enjoy fine dining at the clubhouse or enjoying a beverage watching your favorite sporting event at the clubhouse sports bar or the Woods Center. Jump in the brand new swimming pool or workout in the state-of-the-art fitness center. If you like rackets, join the pickleball club or tennis players. If theater is your thing, enjoy the LOW Players performances at the community center, or better yet, discover your acting talents by auditioning. Hit the fairways at the 18-hole PGA golf course and enjoy the 19th hole at the